Hi friends, welcome to Smart Record All-in-One and I'm Saraman. Friends, today I'm going to tell about Paytm only friends, whereas now I am going to tell how to convert gold to cash friends without KYC friends. It's KYC or non-KYC friends. It's based on the Paytm friends, but the video is for both friends, for KYC and non-KYC friends. See, first I'll open my Paytm app friends. Before that, if you like this video, please give me a like button friends and subscribe to our channel SR All in friends. If you have any doubt, you can surely comment me friends, or you can contact me friends. Even I'll give my number in description friends. Many members has been contacted me. Even you people can be contact me without any fear. Now we'll start our main video friends. See here friends, you can observe here, my balance of my gold is 425.175 friends. 425.75 friends. See, if I go here, if you scroll here friends up, you can observe here friends, new option, sell friends. We have got here option sell. If you click on that friends, you can observe here, write an amount friends. See here how much the amount is, 425 friends. If you click 425 here, we'll see friends. Here they telling you need to more gold balance to perform this transaction. So you make it less friends, 400 friends. I'll make it 400. See friends, I have got here everything friends. Then what about 15 rupees? I'll tell you friends. See here, he's telling give your bank account name and IFSC code. See friends, see I'll provide everything now here. See friends, just now I have entered all my account details friends. Just I'll make it proceed. You can observe here, again he's asking friends, re-enter your bank account. See, just I'll make it paste here. See, just proceed friends. After doing, you'll get like this friends. If you want, you can screenshot. If not, you can make proceed to sell friends. See here, you can observe friends here, proceed to sell friends. Please note, IMPS fees of rupees 0% will be charged. Means they are telling nothing friends. They are not even charging 1 paisa to transfer friends. Sir, please wait. See friends, if I wait friends, you can observe here, order successfully. Order summary. See here, it is processing. If you wait for a while friends, surely it will be successful friends. See friends, you can observe here, your order has been placed successfully friends. Even you can observe here friends. Even I am getting a message friends from them, and for first time if you transfer for your bank friends, you will get 1 rupee friends extra and 400 rupees friends instantly. Means you are getting for 401 rupees friends. But again for second time you will not get friends. See, even you can observe here, see a rupees 400 of rupees sell sold friends. Gold has been credited to your bank account. See friends, I have got see friends. See, if I go back friends again, you can observe here, I'll go to again gold friends. You can observe here again I got 13.65 friends. See, I'll go to sell friends. See here, I'll enter 13 rupees friends. Proceed. See friends, I have got overall 13 friends. Again, if I enter 13.69 friends, see here 13.69. See friends, I am not getting point friends here. So just you make it 13 rupees friends. See here again, you once again you should give your bank details friends, and you should make it proceed friends. See, once again I'll show you. See friends here. See friends, you can observe here again successfully. See friends, if you if you click on invoice friends, see here automatically you will get an invoice from this friends here. See here again I can open here. See friends, this is the main invoice of that friends, for which and for whom you have sent it friends. About that in detail they will be giving friends. See here again, if I go to gold, see friends here, now you can observe here 0.30 paisa friends, whereas you cannot transfer this friends. See, if I go to 0.30 will not get friends here. See here friends, 30 proceed. See, I'm getting nothing friends here. So you should keep this 0.30 in your wallet only friends. See friends, this is the way to do it friends. Normally in PhonePe friends we will not get like this suffering friends, whereas if once we sell our gold, it directly credit into your account friends, how much ever it may be friends. Whereas in Paytm, not like that friends. How much they will give, we should take friends. If you want to know why it's happening friends, what are the reasons, even if you go to click gold friends, you can observe now friends here, frequently asked questions friends. You can read all these friends, then you will come to know friends clearly friends. If you did not understand, you can surely comment me friends, and surely I will make another video to sake of you why it's happening friends. That's it friends. Now you came to know now friends how to transfer Paytm gold to bank account money friends. Gold to money friends. Like this you should convert it friends. It might be a KYC or it might be non-KYC friends. I think in this process you did not find anything else here. That's it friends. If you like this video, please give me a like button and subscribe to our channel SR All in One. If you want to get like this tips and tricks and what are the reasons you should subscribe our channel friends. SR all in all friends. Thank you and Jai Hind.